pum pum. Pum pum pum. One two one two one two. Hey YouTube, welcome to the stream. Today is a very special day. Today I want to show you something I've been working recently. It's something great, I think. You let me know what you think. So if you've been watching one of my previous videos, I've been trying to get the Google Maps data directly in Blender, and some of you asked me if I can do the same thing in Unreal Engine, and guess what? It's happening. Today I will show you exactly what I've done to get the New York data directly in Unreal Engine. As we can see, we can go navigate around city of Manhattan. I'm gonna show you how I managed to get all the data, what you can do, what features it has, and how you can create animations and all that. We will try to explore different other cities, not just Manhattan, maybe London, maybe, I don't know, something in Middle East, or I don't know, maybe we can go in Iran, Iran, same thing. Yeah, so it's a very simple, straightforward. I know in the past you will have to go get APIs and a lot of details, like for example car details and all that, but right now I think this step has been simplified, and it's very easy to work. So one way that I would do right now is I would try to go into a different, maybe in a different city. So for example, if I go London, so the way it works, you go on Maps. Google Maps is going to be our very best friend. So we copy these. These are the core Google Maps coordinates. So we're going to copy this, and then I'm going to just pop it here for a second in the browser. I have an app that can always make this on top, which is great. So I can work here and have this one on top. I think it's called, how is it called? If you guys are interested, is it called Deskpin? It's the app, so it allows you to have things on top of your monitor. I'm gonna show you how to change the location, and then we're gonna do step by step how I got do the Google Maps. We're gonna go through the entire process. So okay, cool. So I'm gonna go here. Do not import. Cesium reference. Okay, so here we're gonna pop this coordinates, Google Maps coordinates, and we're gonna transfer ourselves directly to London. And then I'm gonna pop this one too underneath, and I'm gonna hide this. And as you can see, we are flying above London. We are going to the city center of London. The level of details, it's a little bit better compared to Blender. All right, cool. A little bit we're going there. So we are flying over the river Thames, and yep, here we go right above. I think it's city center. Don't know much about London, to be honest, because I don't live there. But we can see that the quality is decent. Obviously, if you're gonna go down here on the street level, you would see that the mesh and the level of details is not quite accurate. But for like drone shots, you know, just imagine, oh, you can fly towards, boom. Yeah, so let's start with a new project, and I'll show you exactly what I have done, you know, to get all these data inside Unreal Engine. Cool. So I'm going to this one. Okay. Cool. So I'm gonna close this for now. I'm not going to save, and then I'm gonna open up Unreal Engine again. Okay, so it's gonna be Unreal Engine. You can try with different versions. For me personally, I know it's Unreal 5.7 out or 5.6 or so many other versions. For me personally, I'm gonna go with Unreal 5.2. I'm gonna create a new project. It's gonna be film, video, live events. It's gonna be a blank, and I'm going to projects, stream, Google Maps, create. So I'm gonna create a new project. Yeah, so probably you know by now that I tried create this in the past.
A lot of time.
Using Google Maps in Blender. If you want to do the same thing and you're a Blender fan, you can obviously go on my channel, and then you would see the import any Google Maps location directly in Blender. And obviously you can do a subscribe here. Why not? Because I really want to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I think we're gonna happen. We can make it happen. Okay, cool. So Unreal Engine, just open up. Fuck off. Cool. So the way this one is gonna work, you need to install a plugin that's gonna allow us to bring this data into Blender, into Unreal Engine. Sorry, I got confused for a second. So we're gonna open up Epic, and from here we need to look into the Fab, and from Fab we need to install Cesium Unreal Engine plugin. So if I'm gonna go quick here, Cesium for Unreal Engine. So yes, so this is the plugin that we are going to install directly in our Unreal Engine project. It's a very powerful plugin. I really like it. Has most of the geographical positions on Earth, which is amazing. Not really sure if we're gonna have. I never try. Maybe we can try right now, having to go in China. Maybe we can. Can we go in China though? Maps. If maps. All right, let me see. I want to go in China though. China, give me, if we are able, can we put the little guy here? I don't think we are able to bring China. Click and highlight to see images. No, I don't think we will be able to put. But most of the other countries, I think we would be able to go into the Google Maps in Unreal Engine. Cool. So we are here. We need to go on the Fab, and here we need to install Cesium for Unreal. This is the plugin that is going to make the entire magic, and it's going to bring us the data. So here you're gonna type cesium, and yeah, couple of things is gonna appear. I do think that in GeoGrid tools and plugins, I think I'm gonna go for, I think this is the one. Yep, this is the main. If you see this image, it means that this is the one I've been using it. Okay, cool. So from here, it's obviously straightforward. You need to install this in order to be able to use it. Just for people that just got into the stream right now, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.2. And the reason why I'm using this mostly is because I can import a lot of Gaussian splats inside, and it's more flexible than 5.7 and so on. They're very new, and some other plugins are not compatible with those versions, so I'm sticking with 5.2. Cool. So obviously from here it's very straightforward. I do think this plugin works with the latest details on Unreal Engine, with the latest updates, but yeah, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go install. So you cannot install the plugin as an internal component. Please install. Okay, cool. So can I go? Okay, this is one of the things. I'm gonna cancel that for now. Mate, you are insane. So 5.2 fab. System for Unreal Engine. Your settings, local disk, download Unreal Engine Cesium, file format quietly. Why this one doesn't work out? So basically you need to install this one into your machine. Can I go for this one maybe? Create a project on disk, update available, no. Create a project. Alright, so I'm gonna go download it in my folder. Unreal Engine, Cesium. I'm gonna go select this, must be empty. Okay, I'm gonna put Cesium stream. Select for create. Alright, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to go Cesium. Install plugin. It still doesn't let me find a Cesium for action. Cesium for action. Discover library. Give me a second. Library. Install plugins. Oh, it's already installed. So yeah, let me remove it just for purpose. I want to show you that it's actually working. So did I remove it? Install plugins. Remove. Okay, cool. So I removed it from here. Fab. Back again. Just Cesium. So I'm gonna go here. Install plugin. Cool. Yes. Are you with me right now? So the reason why it didn't allow me to install it is because I already installed it. So I remove it right now, and now I am able to install it again, just for you, to follow along with me. Brain. Cool. So, right. So we're going to go for 5.2. As I said, I'm not really sure if it's working for 5.7 or, those ones. So it's gonna download. We're gonna see here at the bottom. Probably you don't see because video capture. You see it's downloading right at the bottom. So make sure you're gonna use an older version probably it does work with something like most updated version from Unreal, but it just, I don't want to risk it. I've seen it. It works in the project that I've just shown you in the beginning, so I just want to stick with that. All right, cool. So I do think this has, okay, so the error is showing you if you already installed it. So right now it's a very straightforward to launch it. So I'm gonna go launch this bad boy. Okay, stream Google Maps. I'm gonna go here. It's gonna take me a couple of seconds to do it. It's loading right here. I don't think I can move this. And there you go. We are right now in Unreal Engine. The plugin has been installed. Right now we need to activate the plugin inside the Unreal Engine. So you go edit plugins. From plugins you need to type not you. From here you need to type Cesium for Unreal. So you need to enable this and restart Unreal Engine. Again, we are just waiting for Unreal Engine to come back right now. And there we go. Unreal Engine is back. So right now what you have to do, you need to put the Cesium assets. That's okay. We see a new tab just coming up right now. Too many content browsers. And then from here, Cesium. Cool. Now we have the Cesium on the left side of the panel. What we have to do is connect to Cesium. Obviously right now you need to connect. So yes, from here it's straightforward. You allow, and then yes, because I'm already signed up, this is gonna automatically sign me in. So all you have to do is to log in with your Epic account. So the email you use for Epic account, I think it's showing you that you can actually log in with the Epic account. Go there, it's gonna send you a code confirmation through the email. You go copy that, put it in to sign in. You sign in, and it's gonna let you in, and it's gonna show you successfully authorized, which is amazing because this is what we need right now. Cool. And now you have different options in the Cesium, and what you have to do to be able to import Google data is to go in the Google Photorealistic 3D tiles. You click on the button. Oh, this is an empty. Cool. You click on this, and you go name Google Stream. This is the project that you are working right now. Token I'm gonna use as a default token, and then use project default token. So now the Google Maps starts to show up, and we are somewhere in the mountains right now. This is amazing. Cool. So now you can actually go on Google Maps, and I want to go to, yeah, obviously this is my oh my god, no. Okay, we can go anywhere you want. For example, I want to go to Amsterdam. Where is Amsterdam? Pum. So the only thing you have to do is right click, you get the coordinates, you click on it, you paste, you copy this, and then you go to, okay, you go to Cesium georeference. You see original latitude. So here you have to paste the first number, and then the second one is original longitude. All right, and I believe we are above Amsterdam, and obviously from here you can go do the camera speed just to move a little bit quicker into the 3D space. And here we go. Now, two things you can do here right now. I think you can do a post process. So if you go here on post process volume, you can do this, and we are going to create some clouds. No, I was thinking clouds volume. Volumetric cloud. You pop this one, and you can adjust the clouds. You can add some clouds into your scene, which is always good. I'm trying to see where else you can do sky. This is the darkness of the skies. Okay, cool. And then you can bring atmosphere, sky atmosphere. And then let me see if I can bring this. Okay, so I can do something with this. Okay. So I can do a little bit of fog if you would like, but that doesn't look really realistic. So I'm gonna go back to default. Another thing that you can do is that the level of details, you can increase the level of details into this project. You just need to go to a level, and it's not here. Is it in here? Collision, level of detail. So if you go on the Google Photorealistic 3D tiles, you would see any in the search bar, type level of detail, and at the default it's set to 16, but we will change that. Before that, I just want to go to New York, to be honest. Because I think New York coordinates. Does it work this way? I should work. Geo reference. Remove this. Pop this one there. And pop this one here. Does it work? No, it's not Google Maps. Give me 1 second. Okay, and here, fuck off. No, copy. Go paste. Mate, where is New York? Oh, it's minus. Sorry guys, it was minus. Cool, so it's quite big here though. All right, cool, so that's where is the New York. Manhattan. Okie dokie. And you know, from here it's obviously what you can do. You can go to the level, and from here, the lower the number is, the more quality you have, and the bigger is the less quality you have. So ideally, if your machine works, put it on 1. And as a simple test, if I put this one to 20, 50, you can see in the background, not close to the camera, but in the background, you will see that the quality drops. Okay, and then you can do on other level sequence. You can create a sequence, and then you go to camera, cine camera actor. You pop this bad boy here, up, you rotate, you go into this, you do very wide, and then you bring this camera into the sequencer, and then, you know, just a basic animation just for you to see is gonna be transform. You go forward in time. I love these New York streets, I swear to God, they are so straight. And there you go. I'm not really sure if it's gonna hold the entire time. And then you go ahead and you export this bad boy. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, a nice way to import Google Maps data in Unreal Engine. Is very straightforward. You just need to use Cesium plugin for Unreal Engine. You log in into the Cesium with your account, and then with your Epic account, if you already installed this into your machine, you need to as the error showed, you need to disable it. But yeah, thank you so much. I'm probably gonna do a YouTube video for this, for you to have it on easier in a shorter format. I think it's gonna take me a couple of minutes. And yeah, thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.